In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager in GoHighLevel. Before we dive in, make sure you already have a Google Analytics account and a Google Tag Manager account set up. From Google Analytics, you'll need your GA4 measurement ID. From Google Tag Manager, you'll need your container snippets, which come as two pieces of code, a head script and a body script. Keep those handy. We'll paste them into GoHighLevel in just a moment. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel sub-account. From the main dashboard, head to Sites. First, we'll add the Tag Manager container to your funnels. Open the Online Store or Funnels area, then go to Settings. In the tracking sections, you'll see fields for head tracking code and body tracking code. Paste the Google Tag Manager head script into the head tracking field exactly as provided, and paste the body script into the body tracking field. Don't edit or trim these snippets. Copy them in full to avoid breaking the container. This ensures Tag Manager loads early on the page and can fire your tags reliably. Click Save to apply those changes to your funnels. Next, we'll do the same for your website. Still under Sites, go to Websites and select your business website. Open Settings. Again, paste the same Tag Manager head script into the head tracking code field, and paste the body script into the body tracking code field. Using the same container across your funnels and website keeps your tracking consistent, so you can manage everything from one place. When you're done, click Save. With the container installed in GoHighLevel, connect Tag Manager to Google Analytics. In your Tag Manager workspace, open your GA4 configuration tag and paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into the measurement ID field. This tells Tag Manager which GA4 property to send data to. If you already created the GA4 configuration tag, just update it with the correct ID. If not, create a GA4 configuration tag and add your ID there so all your pages are covered. A couple of quick tips. If you have multiple funnels or additional websites, repeat the same paste and save steps to keep tracking consistent everywhere. After saving, give it a few minutes and then check Google Analytics real-time or use a tag debugging tool to confirm the container is firing and your GA4 configuration is sending events. That's it. You've added Google Tag Manager to your GoHighLevel funnels and website and connected it to Google Analytics. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.